How to remove TikTok filters and effects. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the plus icon on the bottom of your screen in order to create a video and then go ahead and record or upload your video. Now, once you have your video ready, tap on the filters icon on your editing screen, and just in case, if you have added any kind of filters, then you can simply tap on the none option you see there, or choose the filter with the lowest intensity. And if you have used any kind of effect, then tap on the effects option and then select an active effect again in order to remove it. Or you can also tap on the delete icon you see there in order to remove the effect. Now tap on the save option on the top right of your screen and then tap on the next option you see there in order to save the changes that you just made. And just in case if you are trying to remove the filter or effect from the video that you have already posted, then unfortunately TikTok does not allow you to remove a filter or effect from a video after it has been posted. The filter or effect is already rendered into the uploaded video. So just in case if you want to remove the filter or the effect from the video that you've already posted, then if you have the original video without the filter, then you can simply delete the existing video and then repost the original one without the filter. So this was about how you can remove TikTok filters and effects. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.